Now we are going to learn about another formatting technique, that is nothing but alignments. Okay, how to align the data. For example, here this particular thing I would like to align to the center of this slide. Okay, center of this slide and center of this particular box also. How to do that one? We have to go to alignment here. Okay, here alignment, I will say left. It is already left aligned. If I say the right align, it will be aligned to the right, center. If it is aligned to the right, it will align to the right side margin of your box. Okay, I would like to align it to the center, and this text should be aligned to the center of the box also in the lengthwise. Okay, then again align here. Third option is the middle, so that it will be aligned to the center of the box in terms of length as well as the width wise. Okay, again you can align to the top or bottom by using these options. Okay, this is about aligning a text. For example, if you have a paragraph like this, you have a paragraph, then also you can use the alignment. You can either use a left alignment, but usually in a paragraph we will be using a justify. We'll using a justify, so that the entire length of the paragraph will be adjusted to the margin of your box. Okay, and one more thing we can do: when it is a paragraph, it will be very difficult to the read if line spacing is too small. Okay, to make it bigger line spacing, select that paragraph, go to here line spacing, and you give the 1.5, or you can say double. Okay, so that you will be having a clear spacing between a line. Okay, which helps to read this slide very well. And again the same thing what we have been discussed in a docs, like remove or add the additional space to the paragraph. If you are writing a two paragraph, if you like to add a space before paragraph or remove the space, in the sense this space will be reduced. Here you can see this much space is there. The moment I click on a remove space after paragraph, the size has been reduced. Okay, when there is a two or more paragraphs are there, we'll be using that one. Apart from that, line intent is there. Okay, indent is nothing but to move the right hand side, to move the entire paragraph to the little bit right. We can say here increase indent. Okay, by increasing a indent, we can write we can move the entire paragraph to the right hand side of your margin of the box. Okay, again decrease indent will make you to come back to the original. Okay, these are the two things will be used to change the structure of the paragraph.